The Ministry of Corporate Affairs has mandated that all companies under its purview must use accounting software with audit trail capability. In other words, if you are an MCA company, your software must maintain an edit log for all changes made to your transactions. To simplify this for you, we have launched a new version of our product, TallyPrime Edit Log. You don't need to change the way you operate. Continue working on the product like you always have. TallyPrime Edit Log will work to make sure that necessary logs related to masters, transactions, and the company are maintained. If you are not an MCA company but would still like to use Edit Log as an option for internal control, you can use the latest release of our regular product, TallyPrime. The latest release will also help you take an important step towards a paperless office. With the dongle-based digital signature capability, you can now sign off digitally on your business documents at the click of a button. The dongle-based digital signature mechanism is universally accepted as a secure one with high integrity. Simply connect your digital signature certificate dongle into the system on which Tally is running. That's it. Now, by following a few simple steps, you can add your signature to all documents while exporting, emailing, or printing them. Download TallyPrime today and experience the simplest and most powerful Tally yet.